Hello everyone! Today we have a client whose awning fabric on the expansion compartment is dirty. Instead of cleaning it, they prefer a direct replacement. I'll show you how to replace it with a new fabric. Fully close the slide box. Rotate the roller tube towards the vehicle body. Release the spring tension. Insert the tension pin. Same on both left and right sides. Note when inserting the tension pin. The fabric locking strip should face upward. Remove the screws from the fabric locking rails. Fully extend the fabric. Pulled out from the vehicle side. Fabric locking poly cord. Also pull out the poly cord at the roller tube. There are two types of fabric poly cord. The black one is thicker. The white one is thinner. On the roller tube side, gently and smoothly slide the fabric into sailing tracks on cars. Note, this requires two people to work together. To prevent the housing from scratching the fabric, make sure the fabric enters parallel. Everyone, note that when the fabric is installed. When adjusting the fabric, try to keep both sides parallel. After adjustment, secure the fabric screws in their original positions. The final step is to remove the tension pin. At this point, be sure to support the roller tube with your hand. At least two people are needed. It could potentially injure someone. Then slowly allow the tension to retract. And just like that, the awning fabric has been replaced.